let's talk about the relationship between Hiccup and Toothless the dragon. They nailed it. I actually can't believe that someone acting in a CGI movie where all of the dragons are CGI. So I have no idea what they used as a stand-in for Toothless. But they really got the chemistry down with the chemistry between Toothless and Hiccup, so that he really seemed like he was interacting with this dragon, and they did that so well. Another thing they did really well was just the dragons in general. I wasn't sure how well CGI dragons were going to go, although from the trailers I had a pretty good idea of what they were going to look like, and ultimately I really liked how they did it. They looked like really legitimate dragons, but they also looked just like the dragons from the cartoon.